You've been telling yourself you need more motivation, more energy, more discipline, a better mindset. But somehow, even after watching videos like this, you still feel stuck. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. You don't lack motivation, you're just carrying too much mental noise. And today, I want to show you a simple daily reset that clears that noise, so discipline comes back naturally, without forcing yourself. Most people think motivation is something you find, like it's hiding somewhere, and if you watch enough videos or read enough quotes, it'll finally show up. But motivation doesn't disappear randomly. It fades when your mind is overloaded. Think about it. When you feel unmotivated, you're usually not lazy. You're tired, overstimulated, mentally scattered. Your brain is juggling unfinished tasks, worries, expectations, and guilt all at the same time. So instead of asking, how do I get motivated? A better question is, how do I reset my mind? Let's talk about what actually drains your motivation. It's not hard work, it's constant friction. Opening your phone first thing in the morning, jumping between tasks all day, thinking about everything you should be doing while doing none of it fully. Your brain never gets a clean start, so by the time you try to focus, you already feel behind. That's why pushing harder doesn't work. You don't need more pressure, you need a reset. Here's the daily reset. It's simple, and more importantly, it's repeatable. Step 1. Pause before you consume. Every day, your mind is shaped by the first thing you give it. For most people, that's notifications, messages, or endless scrolling. Instead, try this. Before you touch your phone, sit still for 60 seconds. No music, no input, no distractions. Just 1 minute. This creates a small but powerful gap between you and the world. And in that gap, your mind stops reacting and starts choosing. Step 2. Ask one grounding question. Not 10 goals, not a life plan, just one question. What actually matters today? Not what's urgent, not what everyone expects, what matters. This does two things. It lowers anxiety and it gives your mind direction. Motivation comes from clarity. When you know what matters, action feels lighter. Step 3. Shrink the task until it feels almost too easy. This is where most people sabotage themselves. They tell themselves, I need to fix my life. I need to be consistent. I need to grind. That's overwhelming. Instead, reduce everything to the next small action. Not work out, but put on shoes. Not study for hours, but open the notebook. Discipline doesn't start with intensity. It starts with movement. Here's something no one tells you. Motivation often comes after you begin. Waiting to feel ready keeps you stuck. Starting small pulls you forward. This is why the reset works. It clears the noise, creates focus, and lowers resistance. Step 4. Close the day intentionally. At night, most people collapse into distraction, scrolling, overthinking, regretting the day. Instead, take 2 minutes and answer this silently. What did I do right today? Even if it's small. This trains your brain to associate effort with progress, not failure. And that's how motivation is rebuilt, quietly, consistently. Let me be clear, this reset won't make every day perfect. You'll still feel tired sometimes, unmotivated sometimes. But instead of spiraling, you'll have a way back, a reset you can return to every single day. Quick recap. Pause before consuming. Ask what truly matters. Start smaller than you think. Close the day with intention. That's it. No hype, no pressure, just clarity and discipline built one reset at a time. If you're watching this late at night, try this tomorrow morning, just once. You don't need to change your whole life. You just need a clean start. Let's build it together.